How can I stop fishy burps from omega-3 supplements? Imagine enjoying the health benefits of omega-3 supplements without the unpleasant aftertaste or fishy burps that sometimes follow. Many people experience this issue when taking fish oil capsules or liquid supplements, but there are effective strategies to minimize or eliminate these side effects. Understanding the root causes can help you choose the best approach for your needs. One common reason for fishy burps is that the supplement is not fully absorbed in the stomach and intestines, leading to the releases of fishy odors and tastes. To improve absorption, consider taking omega-3 supplements with meals, especially those containing fats. Consuming them with a full meal can slow down digestion and enhance the body's ability to absorb the nutrients, reducing the likelihood of fishy aftereffects. Another effective method is to opt for high-quality supplements that are processed using molecular distillation or other purification techniques. These methods remove impurities and contaminants that can contribute to unpleasant tastes and odors. Look for products that are labeled as purified or refined, and check for third-party testing to ensure quality. Swallowing capsules whole rather than opening them can also help. When capsules are broken open, the oil inside is exposed to air and stomach acids, which can cause a fishy smell and taste. Using capsules ensures the oil remains sealed until it reaches the stomach, minimizing the chance of burps. Some individuals find that taking omega-3 supplements in liquid form can be more tolerable if they blend the oil into flavored beverages or smoothies. Adding citrus juice or flavored water can mask the fishy taste and reduce the sensation of burps. However, it is important to avoid mixing with hot liquids, as heat can degrade the quality of the oil. Another tip is to try enteric-coated capsules. These capsules are designed to bypass the stomach and dissolve in the intestines, which can significantly decrease the occurrence of fishy burps. This coating prevents the oil from being released prematurely, thus reducing the unpleasant aftereffects. Lastly, consider the dosage and timing of your supplement intake. Taking smaller doses more frequently throughout the day can improve tolerance and absorption. Always follow the recommended dosage instructions and consult with a healthcare professional if you experience persistent issues or have concerns about your supplement regimen. By choosing high-quality, properly processed supplements, taking them with meals, and exploring different forms such as enteric-coated capsules or flavored liquids, you can enjoy the health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids without the discomfort of fishy burps.